right, let's move to motor oils. Now, motor oils are a bit of a touchy subject. Everybody's got an opinion on them, but I follow two simple rules. Choose a high quality oil and change your oil on schedule, and change it often. When you do choose your oil, make sure that it has the API donut. Now, the API donut is basically your proof or your seal of approval from the American Petroleum Institute that the oil has been tested and is approved for use, that it does meet their standards, and it will do what it's designed to do, which is minimize the wear and tear on your engine. Now, there are different oils out there for diesel, for gas, in different weights. Check your car's owner's manual to see what type of oil you should be using, how much of it you should use, and how often you should be changing it. Change your oil on time and on schedule, and your car will thank you for it.